Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I am here to share the next kit from Miss Rosie Posie, aka Rose Alcala. I got it on Saturday, but it has been a very busy weekend, so I do want to get this video out. I don't know if you guys will be getting yours or if you have them yet, but I do want to come on and show you the kit for those of you that may not have gotten it yet. Sorry, I probably should have done this sooner, but I am just super busy right now. It is just a crazy, crazy time. So this is the next kit, which is the teapot kit. So I'm just going to open it. I did take it all out of the bag, and Miss Rosie Posie packed it up extra super duper duper careful to make sure nothing happens to it. So I'm going to take it all out. I probably should have taken it all out of here, but look at all that yummy bubble wrap I can have. Let me get this one open. I'm just going to take that down that way. There is the top. It's probably a little puzzle. You have to find out. There we go. There we go. So this is the teapot right here. I love the shape. I love that it's pointed like this. This makes it, if you're going to use napkins and stuff, this makes it really nice to use like this. This is a really nice teapot. I love the spout. And then it does open, and the hole does go through. So if you wanted to, you could do this when you're done with it, and I will show you, just to give you an example of something you can do. And am I working on something here that this is not coming out? Let me see before I undo it all, and then I'm really mad at myself. So hold on one second. And if I was ever prepared, it would be nice, but let's see. Yep, I am working on something. It's starting to come apart. Okay, maybe I can't do that right now. But anyway, you can stick a roll of, this one's probably a little big. It is. And then you can come right up the spout. So this will fit the rolls of the crochet yarn right in here, or a little ball of yarn. And you could put it right in there and bring it right up through the loop, through the hoop. Here, let's talk straight, Laurel. Okay, so that is the gorgeous teapot. Cannot wait to decorate that. And here we go with the noise, guys. So Miss Rosie Posie wanted me to tell you she forgot to put the tags on the bags, her beautiful tags. So we're just going to take all the bags out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's start with the beautiful napkins. And of course, you guys know I love these already because they are purple. And I need to bring you in a little closer. Hold on. Let me bring you up a tad so you can see. There we go. And aren't those beautiful? And that's the other side. Let's see where this pattern goes, because I'm not sure. Oh, look, it's goes all the way around. It's not like most napkins where it's 4 little pictures. It's actually a whole picture, which is gorgeous. Oh no, they are the same. These two and these two. But isn't that beautiful? That is a beautiful, beautiful napkin. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the purple. And then you get this beautiful one, which this is one side. And this is the other side. So those are beautiful flowers. You could cut them out. So you get 1, 2, and 3 of those gorgeous flowers. So if you wanted to cover it in napkins, you have plenty of napkins for that. So let's put these back in the bag. Sorry for the noise. And let's go to this one. This one has some yummy fabrics in it. Let's pull this stuff out. And you have this beautiful, what a beautiful piece of fabric. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? That is really pretty, and it's really soft. Wow, this is really soft. I'd like a blanket with that. Just really soft. But that is a gorgeous piece of fabric there. So if you wanted, you could cover it in fabric, or you could line the inside with the fabric, and then you get this ooh, a bunch of these. She even put them in pieces so that you could use the pieces or cut them out. Look at this. You could cut out these beautiful flowers. That is gorgeous. And you could cut out the little flowers, or you could use it like this and put it on here. You know, put this on one side like that. That would be beautiful too. So however you want to do it. So you have 1, 2, another piece. Oh, I probably don't need to fold it that far. And 3. So you get 3 of these. Oh, and it's so soft it just keeps sliding right out of my hands. But that is gorgeous. And it is a very, I want to say it's a pink, but let me see here. It's a pink kind of, but it's not like a baby pink. It's like a, I'm not sure, but it is really beautiful. I know you guys can't really see that, but it is a gorgeous color. So that, I'll put those back in their bag. You know me, I like to keep my kit stuff together. Although when I'm working on it, I try to keep it together, and then it just all ends up in one big pile. All right, so let's go to this one. And a little piece of flower there. All right. And you have this beautiful piece of, and it's 2. That's kind of cool the way that's made. Look how that's made. And one stacks on top of the other, and then it has this nice border right here for you to use if you're gluing it down and putting something over it. But that is beautiful. So you could use it like this. You could even cut it if you want and have 2 of them if you were going to wrap it around. But that is gorgeous. I love that. I don't have anything like this. It's really pretty. So you get that. And then you get this crochet one that is in like a beige. It's really pretty. I moved my webcam up because it seemed like it was so close, and now I feel like I'm like holding my hands above my head. And then of course we get this one, and this is like one of my favorite trims right here. Love that trim. It's really pretty. And then you get this beautiful, this is like a satin ribbon. This beautiful beige or cream. I would call that a cream. And then this beautiful, I'm not going to pull them apart because I never can get them back together. And that gorgeous pink. So you get a cream and a pink. And all these colors seem to match the colors in the fabrics. Probably the napkins as well, especially that pink one. So we're going to put this back in the package. Without trying to make too much of the crinkling noises. You're going to hear my computer beep. These are my Facebook notifications. Alright. And then, oh, I want to go to this one. Look at how pretty she packages that too. She lays them all out so that you can see them. Look at the doilies. I'd put the doily, cut this out, and put that doily right over the top, and it would probably fit right on there. That is really cool. So let's pull these out. I don't know where she finds the bags that just perfectly fit all this stuff. I wonder if she makes her bags. Alright, so let's take it out this way. So you get this beautiful trim, and this looks like Venice lace. It's very shiny. So you could use it just like this, or you could cut all these little flowers out and still use this piece here. But if you wanted to like go around here, like that, or even around the teapot, it fits right where all, look at that, it fits perfectly where all those cuts are. That would look amazing like that. And I do believe there is enough to go all the way around. So that is gorgeous. And then you get these little applique pieces. And those are beautiful as well. See, I'm holding my arm way up here. And then this gorgeous piece. Look at that. That would look pretty wrapped around the top. Or you could cut it apart and spread it around there, however you would like. But that is a beautiful piece right there. I love that. And that's like in off-white. It's not a white. Then you get this beautiful doily. And this beautiful doily. So that's that. Let's see if I can get this back the way Rosie had it. We're going to try. I'm sure it's not going to be exactly right, but I'm going to try to get it close. So let's fold this back up. Because I have a tendency to wrinkle all this stuff, and I don't like when I do that. Alright, so let's get that. There's my bag. So I cannot wait to see everybody make their teapots, and make sure you guys share your pictures of your projects. I'm sure Rosie would love to see your kits finished as well. I haven't been seeing too many, but I know a lot of people like to buy them and keep them for a while, but we'd really like to see what you make with the kits and how you use them. And share them with us, because we could all get some inspiration. And then you have some flowers, and these are the, I can never remember what these are called, but what the material is, but that's beautiful. I love using these. And you have one with that one, the pinks and greens. And then you have these little bitty ones, which these are really pretty. These match that fabric too. So those are super pretty. I love these teeny tiny ones. They're so cute. That is so cute. So let's put those back in here. And I know she sent me a message telling me one of the packages, which one was the gift. Now I'm going to have to look at my messages real quick and see if I can see what she told me. Sorry guys, I got to look really quick, because I know she told me something specific. What did she say? Oh, she was having problems with her printer. That's why she didn't make the labels for the packages. So I just wanted to let you guys know, because usually it is packaged really pretty, but she said she was having problems with her printer. This is the gift right here. So this is like the little thank you gift. The little something that she usually calls it. Sorry about that. So we'll go ahead and open that and take a look at it. And you know I usually like to keep my little gift thing, but we may use this on here because this is really pretty. Look at that. Is that not beautiful or what? Can you guys see that? It's got pearls on it around here. And then some ribbon roses. That is really pretty. Wow, that is gorgeous. Love it. So that is the little something gift for all of you. So you know when you get it that that's what that is, because again her printer wasn't working, so she didn't label everything. And then we have, let's see, let me get this open. Oh, I love this stuff. This is really pretty. And you have this gorgeous butterfly. Oh, and he flew away. And you have that gorgeous butterfly. And he's got like a little bow in the center with a pearl. That is beautiful. He's very shiny. Could really decorate him up. And then you have a piece of this gorgeous leaf dangle trim. Look at that. That is beautiful. I can't hang on to nothing today. Today has been just an off day since it began, and I've had one catastrophe after another today, so it's just been like nonstop. So we're going to put this one back in here. Get down in there. I'm going to keep it nice and flat. I don't want to wrinkle anything. And then we have our little embellishment package. So you have some beaded pearls. Those are really pretty. Those are pretty ones. I haven't seen those. It's like a frosted white. So you get those. And then you get this, oh, ever so little dainty little dangle with a little bitty flower on it. And then the 3 dangles. That is super sweet right there. Love that. It's so tiny. I mean, the little flower that's holding it is so tiny, but it's so pretty. And then you get two of these gorgeous rolled roses. I just am so out of it today. These are really pretty, these ribbon rolled roses. And they're a bit shiny, so they're really pretty. I wonder if Rosie Posie made these. They are really pretty. See, it almost jumped off again. And then you get this beautiful piece of bling. Look at that bling. And it's big. It's a big piece. That is gorgeous. And it is metal. Beautiful piece of bling. So let's put that back in and we will go back over everything real quick. Can't wait to get started and make this. So we have our beautiful bling bag and then some appliques and dangle trim and our little something gift and our flowers. And then our doilies and appliques and trim. And some lace and ribbons and trim. And our fabric and our, what would you call this? Like a lace fabric, lacy fabric, I'm not sure. With the beautiful fabric. And then our gorgeous napkins. So this is a beautiful, beautiful kit, everyone. This one's going to be a lot of fun to make. I already have an idea of what I'm going to be doing with mine. So I hope you guys all get your kit soon, and we will sit and work out when we are going to start on these. Again, we usually don't like to start till everybody has theirs. And I know we won't be on Wednesday because it's 4th of July. And I will be out for fireworks. I don't know about you guys, but I will be out. So maybe we will start that on Friday. I'm not sure. I'm going to try and get a hold of Sierra and see if she got hers and if she's going to be able to work on hers as well. So again, this is the beautiful teapot kit from Miss Rosie Posie, aka Rose Alcala, and it is the cutest teapot ever, and I cannot wait to make mine. It's absolutely beautiful, and I love the way she wrapped it ever so nicely to make sure nothing happened to it in its travels. So again, you could take this and you could gesso it first before you put napkins on it or put fabric on it or painted a color. You know, there's so many possibilities with this, but it's a decent size and it's pretty sturdy. It's a beautiful teapot, so I cannot wait to make it. I have made one teapot and this will be my second teapot, so I'm very excited. So that is the kit, everybody. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe because we will be making this. And if you're interested in learning how to do one, I've done one so far, a plastic one, but I haven't done one like this. So this one will be a lot of fun. So thank you all for watching. Hope you all get your kits soon. Have a great evening, and don't forget to get out there and create something, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now.